FIFA Talent Coaches, it's a program that sits under the Talent Development Scheme. Talent Development Scheme, it's a program who aims to help and support every MA on giving every talent a chance. That's our main aim, so we help and we try to support the MA in 4 pillars: in an expertise way, in a training and education way, in a knowledge exchange way, and also in a funding way. Our main aim is to build ecosystem where the best with best get trained in a high contact way, and also we help how to increase and enhance the quality of the processes around talent development. By creating this Center of Excellence, we understand that by targeting the ages of under 12 to under 15 mainly, but also from under 12 to under 18, we can have an impact in the development of every nation.
The project is going to start in January. So far it's going to be for 6 months the first phase, but the idea is to keep it for 2 years if the MA agrees. Aligning with the targets of the federation, obviously our first target is to improve the level of the national teams. That's why we are going to put the best players with the best players since the beginning, and also increasing the contact time. The level of technique and tactical skills of the players is going to improve a lot. So the first target for these 6 months is to analyze how this intervention is affecting to the football in Kyrgyzstan, and to plan something accordingly for the longer time.